Hi everyone, I'm Aurora Winthrop from Weddings Unveiled. Today, I'm going to share some brilliant wedding planning hacks for a tight budget with easy-to-follow tips on how to plan a stunning wedding. I will also include the average cost for each topic. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts and questions. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about setting a realistic budget. Determine your total budget by considering your savings, any contributions from family, and any other sources of funding. Then prioritize your spending based on what matters most to you, whether it's the venue, the dress, or the catering. For a budget wedding, you can aim for around $5,000 to $10,000. Make a checklist of all the elements you need for your wedding and allocate your budget accordingly. This will help you stay organized and ensure you don't overspend. Next, let's choose a budget-friendly venue. Consider non-traditional venues like parks, community centers, or even a friend's backyard. These locations can be just as beautiful and often come at a fraction of the cost of traditional venues. Typically, these venues can cost between $0 to $2,000. Don't forget to negotiate. Ask if there are any discounts for booking on weekdays or during off-peak seasons. Keeping the guest list intimate can significantly reduce your costs. Fewer guests mean lower expenses for food, beverages, and seating. A smaller wedding with 50 guests can save you a lot. Plan for about $20 to $50 per guest for food and drinks. Get creative with DIY decorations and invitations. You can use online tutorials to make centerpieces, bouquets, and other decor. You can also design and print your own invitations using affordable online services. Expect to spend around $100 to $300 on DIY decorations and another $100 to $200 on invitations. Shopping smart for your wedding attire can save you a lot of money. Look for pre-owned wedding dresses and suits, or consider renting. You can find beautiful second-hand dresses for around $100 to $500 and suits for $50 to $200. When it comes to catering, simplifying the menu can help you stay within budget. Opt for a buffet or family-style service instead of a plated dinner. For dessert, consider a table with homemade treats instead of an elaborate cake. Budget around $1,000 to $2,500 for food and cake. Hiring a student or amateur photographer can provide you with beautiful memories at a lower cost. For music, create a playlist and use a good sound system instead of hiring a DJ or live band. Photography can cost between $500 to $1,500, and a DIY music setup can be as low as $50 to $200. Finally, be aware of hidden fees. Service charges, setup and breakdown fees, overtime fees, transportation costs, and vendor travel fees can add up. Always ask your vendors about any additional charges to avoid surprises. These can add an extra $500 to $1,000 to your budget. Planning a wedding on a budget doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your dream. With these tips, you can create a beautiful and memorable day without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your own budget wedding tips or any questions you have. Happy planning!